What we'll have to do is enable the summarizer agent, which basically reviews the uploaded documents individually, and it identifies the different field names, the data types, the descriptions of those fields from the document. So we should first enable the summary agent, which would produce a summary of this particular document, highlighting all the important fields. So here's the summary that the system has produced for the airway bill that we'd uploaded first. So you can see that it has basically retrieved the important data items from across the document. And not only that, you also have a description of what each of these fields represent, what are their data types, as well as example values. So this gives the system a detailed understanding of what this particular document entails. And the same is true with the other document that we had uploaded as well. Once you extract the summary from all the documents that you've uploaded, you can generate a unified schema. So the unified schema basically puts together all the summaries of the uploaded documents, and it basically accounts for all the variations in terms of formats. It normalizes the field. So for instance, the way your date is represented in both the documents could be different. One could follow the date first, followed by the month format, or one could have the month first, followed by the date format. So there are certain variations in which the same data could be represented across multiple documents. So what the schema generation does is that it goes through all the summaries and it basically normalizes fields, it determines data types, and also identifies nested structures. So that gives you a unified schema of all the data that you're looking to extract from across different document variations that you might have uploaded into this particular Prompt Studio project. So we'll give it some time for it to extract the schema. All right. So here's the schema for the airway bill. It has analyzed both the documents, both the airway bills that I've uploaded, and it has generated a unified schema. Now, the schema is also editable, but we're not going to be editing it over here. That is also another option that you have. Now let me create the prompt. Let me automatically generate the prompt. So this prompt is basically generated using the schema that the system had given us. And this is an automatically generated prompt that accounts for all the data fields that is contained in the schema. And it constructs a comprehensive 7-section prompt with various aspects like the system role, the schema embedding, formatting rules, output format specifications, and how to identify disambiguation. So you have all these accounted for, and the prompt really gives you a jump start, because this could actually take businesses days to go through multiple document variations and write a prompt that would account for all these variations. We'll see how the prompt is going to be automatically generated over here. You can see that the extraction prompt for the airway bill has been generated, and we have a pretty lengthy prompt over here for me to get started with.